Demystifying the phrase, play spin. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a fun and interesting English phrase, play spin. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning, origin, and how to use it properly in your conversations. Let's first break down the phrase. The word, play, is a versatile verb in English, meaning to engage in an activity for enjoyment. The word, spin, generally means to turn or whirl around quickly. But when we combine these two words, it might not seem immediately clear what they're supposed to mean together. Play spin isn't a common or standard phrase in everyday English. If someone uses it, they might be referring to literally playing a game that involves spinning, like a game of spin the bottle or using a spinning top. Alternatively, they might be using it figuratively to refer to manipulating a situation to their advantage, much like how someone might spin a story to appear in a better light. It's important to interpret the phrase based on the context it's used in. To clarify further, let's look at some examples. 1. Literal use. At the party, they decided to play spin the bottle. 2. Figurative use. He tried to play spin with the facts, but everyone knew the truth. From these examples, it's clear that understanding the context is crucial for determining the meaning of the phrase. If you decide to use play spin in your conversations, 1. Ensure the context is clear, so the listener understands the intended meaning. 2. It's often more common to hear specific games mentioned, like play spin the bottle than the generalized play spin. 3. Be cautious when using it in a figurative sense, as not everyone might be familiar with this usage. There you have it. The phrase, play spin, can be intriguing, but with a grasp of its potential meanings and context, you can use it confidently. We hope this video has shed light on this phrase for you. Keep practicing, and remember, language learning is all about exploration and discovery.